Badminton originated in British India. The modern game of badminton can be traced back to a game called Puna, which British military officers stationed in India played in the mid-19th century. They brought the game back to England, where it was played at the Duke of Beaufort State Badminton House in Gloucestershire, for which the sport takes its name. Badminton is a fast-paced racket sport played on a rectangular court divided by a net, where players or teams score points by striking a shuttlecock with a racket so that it lands in the opponent's half of the court. The game demands agility, speed, and precision, and it can be played as single, one player per side, or doubles, two players per side.